Good morning, guys. Good morning. We'll start here in about 90 seconds talking about all things stock market and your trades. Questions ticker. So I'm gonna, hey, check it out. My chat is working on YouTube. It wasn't working yesterday. What's up, Heart of Fatherhood? Brian. IDL WITB. What's up? What's up, Shelby? Man, Shelby, you rocking both of them? No. Good morning, guys. What's up, Mom? Today, Shiraz, no. When we do our free war rooms, it's usually on Friday. We'll probably do one tomorrow. Did you just recently join my VIP? Heart of Fatherhood? Or Heart of Fatherhood? I mean, I get it. There's a lot of frauds out there on the internet and social media. But if you come to our war room, you absolutely understand why we're so damn good. Good. Take your time. I mean, my strategy is built on actual by-the-book education, not mysterious gaps in candles. Shit never ceases to amaze me. All right, guys, let's get started. Happy 3/26/26, Thursday, the 26th of March. Initial jobless claims dropped at 8:30. I don't even know what the data was. No reaction in the markets. No other data other than tweet war between Trump and the Iranian administration. So, as usual, we got to watch out for those. I mean, you can't. Okay, you can't watch out for them. You just have to have stop losses in place. If you have questions or tickers, throw them in the comment box. And as usual, if I don't get to them, you can go to my free Discord, tag me there, and I'll eventually answer your question or throw you a chart that you need. Let's look at the DIMO is -7. Right, it's below zero, doesn't matter. We're the -60, +60 range is more so inconsequential today. Plenty of room from either movement in either direction of the markets. The NAMO is positive now, 102. Again, that's normal oscillation. It's not normal when we get down here and we're able to call those retracements. And there's that. Let's see where the fear index is, the VIX. I gotta make myself a sticky note. Hang on. I keep saying I'm gonna make a video on that. And see, I don't know if you can see it. Now I'm throwing a sticky note on my desk, and that will remind me to make you guys a video on how to read this damn thing. It's hit 25, selling. I don't know, you could probably go on YouTube and see what a 20-year-old snot-nosed influencer tells you about it, or you could wait for my video to come out with a guide to actual education. All right, so let's get into it. So again, welcome questions, tickers, throw them in the chat box there. If you go to my social media, if you click on the three dots and you can tell it you want my alerts every time immediately, that way you know I'm live, but I'm live top of the hour Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Did the Matrix call out a gold? Well, let's look at the Matrix. Let's turn it on. She wants to know if the Matrix just called a sell or primary. Oh, lucky there. Yeah, Nika, it did. Right? You would be hunting 10 points, 23, 13, it paid 10. Right there. Tight, though, because of the box. Remember, if you're in the war room, You have to measure to the box to see like if your points are, but it actually paid 10. Matrix for the win again. Oh wait, scroll back. Matrix paid that one too. Look at that. Guys, did you see my video the other day? I posted the guy spent $89 on the Matrix and made 2,600 bucks. Your indicator's too expensive. I don't like making money. Okay, don't buy it. You guys don't need it. You don't need me trading with you. All right, sorry. Let's get into it. ES, we're short bias everywhere, guys. So ES is we're short below 66.15, basically the top of the mean reversion box. We did break below on the 5 minute here, but we haven't actually broken it on the hour, so we might get some diamond oscillation. Our next sell signal is right here as we exit the box. So 65.85 is going to be your short signal. You can see trend status on the matrix. Everything is short except the 1 minute. Once that turns, we'll probably get our read, and we want declining momentum. It's the way I call it in the war room. That's how the matrix set up, like having me trade with you, but that's what you're looking for. 60 guys, were you here yesterday? Were you here yesterday? I made 3 calls on live, and they all potential setups, and every single one of them hit. So I get paid for what I do, but if you come to my free lives, I mean, hell, we make money together, don't we? All right. Let's see. For you guys coming to the war room, prop firm kid is driving the charts today. Short bias in RTY below 25.35. Our next short read. So same thing. We got setups here, guys. Watch. Next short read is going to be 25.50. Be careful. You have this box compression. ES is probably a slightly better read. You got to take less than 10, maybe 5 on that read. This box will provide support. If you don't, and these boxes, key zones automatically populate on your chart when you install the matrix into your charts. But you got to watch that because this is there's buying support there. All right, NQ, same thing. We're short below 24.6 or 24.261. Excuse me. There's a short signal here. You could have taken that for 70. That did pay. If we get our next short signal, it's going to be tougher. It's going to be around 24.125. Problem is, you're being very compressed by, your gains are being compressed by buying pressure because 24,000 is a mean reversion level. It's tough to take sells in green boxes, guys. If you do, you got to severely reduce what you take. So in all these plays I'm talking about, we'd love a VWAP test rejection because this field allows for a lot of room to make money. So anyway, text my person. Okay, so well, let's do YM before Anika asks about it. Are you ready, Anika? So same thing, we're short bias below 46.541. We are in ES, RTY, NQ, and YM. They're all setting up for a primary read short. This one's at 46.360. We'd love a VWAP test first, but if that comes in, make sure you take it with declining momentum. If you don't have a momentum indicator, you look at increasing sell side volume. That's how you do it, guys. So we are set up here. And this one you would hunt on that read probably 80. Gold. Again, throw your questions or tickers in. I'm about to get to them. And gold. So listen, gold right now is extremely flat and ugly. And I mentioned this in this. When it's flat like this, I would ignore any entry. Like the matrix is calculating this out on this candle. It would pay 10. Let's see if it did it. 22, 23. Yeah, so that's the one I talked about. It paid. However, I don't like this flat regime, this range-bound regime. Look how tight this is. I'm going to talk about this in my warm. This is too tight to trade right now. You need to break up or down. So you got to know when to qualify your trading, whether you're running the matrix or looking at shit yourself. Ranges, you need the extra level of confirmation of range break, even if you get a read in here. I'll talk about that in my war room today. If you want to learn it, you can do your 7-day free trial and come in and learn. And that's not just about my matrix. That's about any trading style. So, oil. So guys, from my group, I called this trade plan yesterday on a swing. It was pretty fast. This is future, so WTI pricing is like $2 difference. Buy 88, sell 91. I thought we might have to hold it for 2 days. It actually paid in about 6 hours. So I bought and I sold at this level. And then for my other group, I identified the buy at 91 in WTI, which is, or 90 in WTI, which is 91 and 92 here, this red box. Once it cleared, right, that's the buy. So this red box now is green. So this was the buy to the box. This was confirmation that the box held, and the next buy. I'm long. Long again. I'm long again, and yeah. So there you go. Let me get your questions. I'm gonna have to cut out a couple minutes early here. Let's see. Let's see what you got, YouTube. Again, I start at the top of the hour, guys. We're 11 minutes in. Set your alarm. We'll probably do free War Room Friday tomorrow. We'll start limiting those soon because we do a 7-day free trial. All right, yeah, Shiraz, bring your friend. Let's see. When's my book coming out? I don't know. I wrote a book and then did all the graphics, and the graphics failed on print and then got discouraged. Wrote a trading book. Yeah, we went over there. Yeah, we looked at the Dow. Just checking your questions, guys. If you got Instagram, if you got questions, throw them in there. I'll be looking at yours in just a second, just reading through YouTube. If I don't get to your questions, guys, or I miss it, go to my free Discord, tag me there and ask me. Guys, if you come to my Discord, listen. Myself and my administrator, Dan, Sarah, his administrator, will not DM you. We will not talk to you like we're going to help you with your trading. We won't ask you to move money to a crypto exchange. We will not trade for you. Those are scammers, right? There's a lot of scammers in Discord, just like there's a lot of scammers, as you see on Instagram, sending you friend requests from fake names of me. I don't DM on Discord. It is not me. So, how does the matrix work? Go back and look at some of my videos. But it's my trading style on a chart. It's a beautiful thing, right? So you get key levels. You can see those auto-populated high, low, open, close. You get the indicators on it. You get the trend status, and the motor behind this race car is this beautiful thing. This took a lot of time to build. Just a simple color-coded system that has over 6 things in that, calculating the way that I need to see them to be successful, the way I built 7-figure accounts. Yeah, Ariane, ask me in VIP. I'll identify that for you on the NQ range. Got a ticker here. PL. Planet Lab. Let's see. Let's go to the daily. Looks like you got a gap up. What I'm doing over here is I'm going to grab the IPO anchored VWAP. There it is. And then let's find the all-time high. Oh, this is very typical. IPO, shoot up, boom, and then collapse. So all on hype. Let me see if that's, where's that all-time high? Okay, we're at all-time high right now. Give me a second. And then let's identify the change of trend. Do you guys see it? Do you see it? You need to change a trend. Anchored VWAP right here. Boom. Let's make that green. Guys, you're watching an expert at work, but you can do this. I teach you guys how to do this. Yeah, okay, then now let's zoom into the smaller fractals. Takes me a little bit long. Okay, so listen, this gap provides support and resistance. This gap is seems to be after earnings report. So that is currently support and resistance. So this is probably a pivot swing within that. Right now, if I ran a Gann angle, I'm not going to type in it's overextended. So I would wait for a discount into the percentage of this move. So this is a great time to run. Oops, shit, wrong tool. This is a great time to run a Fibonacci. I would look for, if you're interested in this, 28 to 30. If you like the thesis, if you own it lower than that, get your stop loss right below it. That's Planet Labs. Let me check you out on Instagram. If I didn't get to you on YouTube, guys, and you can tag me in questions. Viking Therapeutics, VKTX. I've traded that a long time. Yeah, you took oil. Good job, guys. Let's look at Viking. EKTX. One day. We're on the daily. She's running sideways, isn't she? Therapeutics tend to burn cash. I'm just zooming out. Okay, so this is important. When you've done this 100,000 times, it's so easy to see this stuff. But it takes practice, right? I'm not guessing. So you can see how my line that I drew from years ago, this is support on price, and now we're in an uptrend. If you like it, if you that $25 to $27 range is a buy, and then off that you can see the uptrend. But we do have overhead resistance at 38 to 40. So if you can buy closer to here, if you want any more details, go to my free Discord and tag me. Guys, I got to bounce in just a couple minutes early. I got to take care of something before I head to my war room. And listen, click the link in my bio. Come trade with me for 7 days free. I'll be back tomorrow, live, top of the hour, 9 a.m. Have a good one, guys.